Imagine a universe beyond our own, an endless expanse where every possible reality exists. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you that some of the brightest minds in science believe that our universe might be just one of countless others, each with its own set of rules, realities, and possibilities? This is the mind-bending concept of the multiverse. Today, we'll embark on a journey to explore whether we are living in one of many universes. The term multiverse might sound like something straight out of a comic book, but it's actually a serious scientific hypothesis. In simple terms, the multiverse theory suggests that there are multiple, perhaps infinite universes existing alongside our own. These parallel universes could be completely different from ours, with their own laws of physics, dimensions, and realities. The idea of the multiverse isn't entirely new. Ancient philosophers like Democritus speculated about infinite worlds existing beyond our own. However, the modern scientific approach to the multiverse began with quantum mechanics and cosmology in the 20th century. One of the first scientific hints came from the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics proposed by Hugh Everett in 1957. According to this interpretation, every quantum event could lead to the creation of a new universe. Let's take a moment to understand the many worlds interpretation. Imagine you're faced with a decision, whether to turn left or right. In our everyday experience, you can only choose one direction, but in the quantum world, both possibilities exist simultaneously, each leading to the creation of a separate universe. One universe where you turned left, and another where you turned right. It's a radical idea, but it lays the groundwork for the concept of parallel universes within the multiverse. But the many worlds interpretation is just the beginning. What if I told you there are other theories, each more mind-boggling than the last, that support the existence of a multiverse? Let's dive deeper into the science behind these theories and explore what they might mean for our understanding of reality. Our journey into the multiverse continues with a theory that takes us back to the very beginning of time: cosmic inflation. Shortly after the Big Bang, the universe is thought to have undergone a rapid expansion, stretching space itself at an incredible rate. Some scientists believe that this process didn't just create our universe, but could have given birth to many others, an entire multiverse of bubble universes. Think of these bubble universes as soap bubbles floating in a vast cosmic foam. Each bubble represents a separate universe with its own unique physical properties. Some might be similar to ours, while others could be completely alien, where the laws of physics as we know them don't apply. The idea that our universe is just one bubble among many raises profound questions about our place in the cosmos. Now, let's dive into the world of string theory, another leading contender in the search for the multiverse. String theory suggests that the fundamental building blocks of the universe are not particles, but tiny vibrating strings of energy. What's fascinating about string theory is that it predicts the existence of multiple dimensions, beyond the familiar 3 dimensions of space and 1 of time. These extra dimensions could be where other universes reside, hidden from our view, but influencing our reality in subtle ways. In some versions of string theory, our universe is thought to be a brane, a 3-dimensional surface floating in a higher dimensional space. Other branes could exist parallel to ours, each representing a different universe. Occasionally, these branes might collide, creating phenomena that we might observe as cosmic events in our universe. It's a concept that stretches the limits of our imagination and challenges our understanding of what reality really is. With all these theories pointing towards the possibility of a multiverse, we must ask, what evidence do we have? Can we ever prove the existence of these other universes? In the next part, we'll explore the scientific evidence and experiments that might help us uncover the truth about the multiverse. To find evidence of the multiverse, scientists have turned their attention to the cosmic microwave background, or CMB, the afterglow of the Big Bang that fills the universe. The CMB is like a cosmic fingerprint, a snapshot of the universe when it was just 380,000 years old. Some researchers have suggested that if our universe has collided with another bubble universe, we might see bruises or unusual patterns in the CMB. Indeed, there have been some intriguing anomalies detected in the CMB, cold spots and strange alignments that don't quite fit with our current understanding of cosmology. While these anomalies are not conclusive proof of a multiverse, they have sparked intense debate and further investigations. Could these be the first signs of another universe brushing up against ours? Another avenue of exploration comes from quantum mechanics. Experiments like the famous double-slit experiment have shown that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, a phenomenon known as superposition. This behavior has led some scientists to speculate that each quantum state corresponds to a different universe within the multiverse. But how can we test this idea? Some researchers are exploring the concept of quantum computing and entanglement to see if we can detect the influence of parallel universes. Of course, the search for evidence of the multiverse is not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is that these other universes, if they exist, might be beyond our observational reach. Some scientists argue that the multiverse theory, while fascinating, might be untestable and therefore not scientifically valid. But others believe that as our technology and understanding of the universe advance, we might one day find a way to detect these hidden worlds. So, where does this leave us? Are we on the brink of discovering that our universe is just one of many, or are we chasing a cosmic mirage? In the final part, we'll explore the implications of the multiverse for science, philosophy, and our understanding of reality itself. If the multiverse theory is true, it has profound implications not just for science, but for philosophy and our understanding of existence. Imagine a reality where every possible outcome of every decision you've ever made plays out in a different universe. In one universe, you chose to watch this video. In another, you didn't. The multiverse challenges our notions of free will, identity, and what it means to be you. From a scientific perspective, the multiverse could revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. It could help explain some of the biggest mysteries in physics, such as the fine-tuning of the constants of nature. Why does the universe appear to be so perfectly calibrated for life? If there are countless universes, each with different physical laws, then it's not surprising that at least one of them, ours, turned out just right for life to develop. But what does the future hold for multiverse research? Scientists are continuing to develop new theories, conduct experiments, and refine their models in the hopes of finding definitive evidence. The upcoming generation of telescopes and experiments may provide us with new data that could either support or challenge the multiverse hypothesis. And who knows, maybe one day we'll find a way to directly interact with these parallel worlds. So, are we living in one of many universes? The answer, for now, remains elusive. But the possibility opens up a universe of questions that could redefine our place in the cosmos. What do you think? Is the multiverse real, or is it just a fascinating thought experiment? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're as intrigued by the mysteries of the universe as we are, make sure to subscribe and join us next week as we continue to explore the wonders of the cosmos. Until then, keep looking up at the stars and wondering what lies beyond.